So BMW M Performance parts have been taken over the market by storm and has been the go-to upgrade for almost any vehicle. Especially nowadays when everything can be made for E90s, 1 Series, E80s, you name it, they have it. And there's always going to be replicas or there's always going to be originals that you can get. Today I'm going to show you the M Performance upgrade that I'm going to be putting on my E90. So let's go for it. So today's video is going to be about these M Performance style accelerator and brake pedal covers. Now these are available on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description for you to check it out. Now if you do purchase through these links, I will earn a small commission, just a disclaimer from that. This is not a sponsored video anyway by any means, and this is exactly what I've been looking for to turn this into something completely different. Now if you're wondering why I have white lights up here, it's because I have these RGB strips set which I can change color. If you haven't seen that video already, I'll leave a link in the corner of here to check it out. And I'm just going to use this for additional lighting for when I'm doing the install. These kits are available in left-hand drive and right-hand drive. I'm not too sure if there's any difference between the left-hand drive version, especially for the footrest, but I know that the brake pedal and the accelerator pedal are all the same, so you don't have to worry about that. But however, they are available in manual as well. So I have an automatic vehicle, so I chose the auto style. Now without me rambling around further on, let's go ahead and start this installation. Installation of the accelerator pedal is going to be the easiest because all you're going to do is you're going to come up from the top, slide it in and press it down. And that's all there is to it. For the brake pedal, you're going to have to basically pull at it from all ends and really work your way around it. It's best to use 2 hands for it. So all you can do is come from the back and peel up the brake pad cover, and it's best that you do it from a direction that's easiest. So start from the top and work your way. And once that's done, that's out. Then you take the brake pedal cover and you start from the easiest point forward. I'm going to start from the left and just give it some wiggle room into it. Now for the footrest, this is just a placed on cover. However, it has 3M double-sided tape at the back. So what you want to do is you want to get this part here completely prepped and clean before you even stick this thing on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol. You can use anything that has at least 70 to 90% alcohol in it, just to give it a good clean surface. You can even use hand sanitizer. That's how effective it is. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a heat gun and just heat it a little bit so it makes it a bit more tacky. And thereafter I'm going to start from the top. And that's it. So there you have it, guys. Super simple, under 5-minute DIY to totally transform the look of your car from the previous generation to the modern era. And I'll leave links in the description for you guys to check this pedal kit out if you guys are interested in having it installed in your car. Super simple, totally transform the look of the car. It feels amazing. The downside is that I felt so far is on the kick down button, it numbs the feel a bit, but it is available. It's still able to hit the kick down without any issues. It looks amazing, feels amazing, and I can't wait to test drive this thing out afterwards. So if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up, like the video, share your comments down below, and subscribe if you're new. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions if you have any, and like I said, links in the description for you guys to check this out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll see you soon. Peace.